offer solutions that could benefit both our region and the entire planet. Please refer to your programs, which will proceed in this order. After this speech, negotiations among parties will begin. The first block is introductory proposals. Each delegation will have an appointed speaker address the room and summit for no more than 2 minutes. Then I will offer time for the delegations to speak to one another about which delegation had the strongest introduction. Next will be the mitigation strategy proposals, which should emphasize the global benefit. After this, I will offer again time for delegations to discuss the strongest mitigation speaker. Thirdly, there will be an adaptation strategy proposals, which should emphasize local benefit. Afterwards, delegations select the strongest adaptation speaker. Finally, votes will be tallied, and students and parents will be invited to share their ideas and feedback, time permitting, for the celebration of learning. Thank you.
So if you'd like to have my
Are we just talking stuff?
do you want me to write the order on the board to remember?
Sure. Oh, I forgot. What is it called?
Arrow to the
It's
right.
not working.
Oh, really? Do you want me to set to click? There. So everyone, to move to the next slide, you click the left mouse key.
I would now like to invite Pakistan's introduction representative to the stage. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Good morning. My name is Ashfa Shahid and I represent me and my delegation represent Pakistan. I'm a diplomat from the Ministry of Climate Change. Bridging the Middle East and South Asia, Pakistan is in a geographic location where temperatures are predicted to rise faster than elsewhere, increasing 4 degrees Celsius by the year 2100. This puts about 200 million people at risk. We need to do something for the world and Pakistan. Pakistan is the 135th highest greenhouse gas emitter. Even though the country is currently producing less than 1% of the global greenhouse gas emissions, we are still at risk. Our country is not at fault for all the harm that climate change is causing, but we are determined to stop it. Pakistan has a mostly agricultural economy that will implode if climate change continues. Let me further explain how. Pakistan has the most glaciers outside of the poles. We also have a coast connected to the oceans that is highly effective due to increased flooding. We have even recorded the hottest day on Earth in April. And it doesn't stop there. Pakistan's temperate climate causes us to face both extreme heat and extreme cold. Pakistan has faced countless freak weather incidents as a result of climate change in the past 20 years. From flash floods, smog in winters, forest fires in summers, freaky heat waves, as well as melting of K2, which is the second highest mountain in the world. In 2015 June, more than 1,200 people died because of heat waves. This shows us our health levels are at the highest they have ever been. Our mitigation speaker will talk about carbon capture and storage, and our adaptation speaker will talk about our making a barrier around the Indus River. Pakistan has demonstrated trustworthiness for our actions against climate change that we will be presenting to you today. And with this done, we ask for your help in return. Remember, Pakistan is with you and will continue to stand against climate change. Thank you.
Okay. I would now like to